the new range of ratcheting open-end combination spanners from Draper. Expert quality, fully guaranteed, ideal for any professional. This range of ratcheting open-ended spanners allows you to work in restricted, less accessible areas where conventional spanners will not reach. The design of the open end with its patented broached opening and sprung pin mechanism helps give an accurate snug fit, but allows the ratcheting action to work perfectly, bringing a whole new dimension to the open-ended spanner and its capabilities. Depending on the required application, there are 3 ratchet ring designs available: standard flathead, reversible and flexible head. All 3 of these options have the revolutionary surface drive design, which virtually eliminates rounding off of fasteners. The ratcheting flat non-reversing combination spanner head allows the user to work in narrow confined spaces, and with its fine ratchet mechanism needs just 5 degrees to work, instead of the 30 degrees that a conventional combination spanner would require. The second option is the ratcheting reversible head, allowing the user to reverse the direction at the flick of a lever. The head has a 15-degree offset, allowing clearance to be had when working on flush surfaces. It also has the capstop feature that allows a threaded rod or stud to pass through it, but keeps the head securely fitted on the hexagon surfaces of the nut. Just move the switch to change direction. The 5-degree ratcheting mechanism means minimal movement is required for the ratchet to work. The third option is the ratcheting flexible head, which allows the head to be tilted up to 180 degrees at any interval, and combined with the 5-degree ratcheting mechanism leaves very few applications that this spanner cannot cope with. The Draper Expert range of open-end ratcheting spanners really does offer the solution to many hard-to-reach areas, whether with the flat ratcheting head, the reversible ratcheting head, or the flexible ratcheting head. All 3 designs are available in sets or in individual sizes with packaging that allows the product to be demonstrated. For more information on the Draper Expert ratcheting combination spanners, or to find a stockist, visit www.draper.co.uk. Also look out for the new range of Draper Expert crossbeam ratcheting spanners.